Good morning and Jai Hind to all. So today we are going to learn one's new chapter in EVS, chapter number 6, Food. Chapter number 6, Food, F-O-O-D, Food. Okay. Now tell me, what is the meaning of food? So food means, all of you know that we eat every day. Why we eat every day? Because we need to be strong and we need energy. So from where we get energy? So we get energy from food. We get energy from food. Now there are two types of food. Okay, there are two types of food. Number one, healthy food. And number two is the junk food. In healthy food, there are fruits, vegetables, dals, nuts, wheat, rice, chicken, meat, fish, curd. Okay, so these are called healthy food. While in junk food, there are pizza, burger. Okay, now tell me which type of food that we should take it more? Healthy food or junk food? Think on it and tell me. So we should take healthy food more. Why we should take it healthy food? Because healthy food gives us more energy and we become strong and healthy if we take healthy food. Okay? So today in this chapter we will learn about food gives us energy as well as food helps us to grow, and we should eat different kinds of food to grow strong and healthy. Now we will learn first hard words. Number one, food. So as I explained earlier, F-O-O-D, food. Food means we eat every day. We eat every day. But what we eat every day? We eat food. We eat food to grow strong, healthy, as well as to get energy. We eat food. Number two, H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. Hungry means strongly we feel that we need to eat some food, and that is why whenever we are hungry, we eat food. Number three, thirsty. Thirsty. Thirsty, thirsty. So thirsty means, right now summer season is going on, right? So in the summer season we oftenly feel thirsty. Okay, we oftenly feel thirsty and we strongly feel that we need to drink some cold drinks or water. We strongly feel that we should drink some cold drinks as well as water, and we feel thirsty in the summer season more. Okay. Number four, healthy. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. So healthy means if we eat healthy food, then and only we can be healthy as well as strong. So if you want to be healthy, you should eat healthy food. Okay? Because it can make us strong and healthy. Number five, G-R-O-C-E-R, grocer. Grocer means, grocer is a person who sells some food as well as grains, for example wheat, rice, dals, etc. Suppose if you want to purchase dal, wheat, rice, so from where do you buy it? So we buy it from the grocery shop. We buy it from the grocery shop. Number 6, energy. E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. Energy means from where we get energy. So we get energy from the food. We get energy from the food. Chapter number 6, food. Okay. I have written the chapter here, so no need to textbook. All of you pay attention here only. Now I am going to read the chapter. All of you listen it carefully. We eat food when we are hungry. We eat food when we are hungry. So as I explained, hungry means we strongly feel that we need to eat some food. So whenever we are hungry, we eat food. Whenever we are hungry, we eat food. Number 2, we drink water when we are thirsty. We drink water when we are thirsty. So thirsty means in the summer season we feel thirsty again and again. Okay? And because of that, we strongly feel to drink water oftenly. Okay? So thirsty means we strongly feel that our body needs water to burst. So thirsty, we drink water when we are thirsty. Food gives us energy to play, study, walk and talk. Food gives us energy to play, study, walk and talk. So students, generally to get energy, from where we get energy? So we get energy only from the food. If generally you want to do any action, right? You want to do any action, for that you need to get energy, and we get that energy to play, study, walk and talk only from the food. So food gives us energy. What does food gives us? Food gives us energy to play, study, walk and talk. Food helps us grow. Food helps us grow. So if you will eat food, then only you will be grow. If you eat the food, then only you will be grow up. Food keeps us healthy. Food keeps us healthy. Means if you eat the healthy food, then only you can be healthy and strong. So we need to eat food to grow as well as to grow healthy. We should eat different kinds of food to grow strong and healthy. We should eat different kinds of food to grow strong and healthy. So if you want to grow strong and healthy, you should eat different kinds of food. What you should do? So you should eat different kinds of food to grow strong and healthy. But if you will eat only one food daily and daily, you will not grow strong and healthy. But if you want to grow strong and healthy, you should eat different kinds. In different kinds, there are fruits, vegetables, wheat, rice, dal, nuts, beans, meat, chicken, eggs. Okay? So you should eat different kinds of food to grow strong and healthy. Rice, wheat, ragi, dal, nuts, beans, eggs, meat, chicken, fish, vegetables, fruits, milk, curds, cheese, butter, and these are different kinds of food. Once again I am going to read. Listen it carefully. Rice, wheat, ragi, dals, nuts, beans, eggs, meat, chicken, fish, vegetables, fruits, milk, curds, cheese, butter, and ghee are different kinds of food. So if you want to grow strong and healthy, you should need to eat these different kinds of food. Now look at this picture. It is a picture of different kinds of food. Look at very carefully. It is a picture of different kinds of food. There are fruits, vegetables, fish, eggs, ice cream, cold drink, cake, burger, rice, tomatoes. Okay, so these are called different kinds of food. And if you want to grow strong and healthy, you should eat all these different kinds of food. Okay. We buy rice, wheat, ragi and dal from a grocer. So from where we get rice, wheat, ragi and dal? So we can buy the rice, wheat and ragi from the grocery shop. Okay. We buy vegetables and fruits from the market. As we all know that we get fruits and vegetables from the market. The milkman supplies us with milk in the morning. So from where we get milk? So milkman supplies us milk in the morning. So today in this session we will learn only till here. Okay.